Hi everyone, hope you all are good. We are here for grade 6 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password is provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab, scroll down to grade 6 math, and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter multiply fractions. The lessons we're going to cover today are multiply two fractions, multiply three or more fractions and whole numbers, estimate products of fractions, whole numbers, and mixed numbers, multiply mixed numbers and whole numbers. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. So here I'm on grade 6 math. The chapter we're on right now is multiply fractions, and we're going to start with the lesson that is multiply two fractions. Okay, 1 by 4 times 1 over 8. So multiplying fraction is very easy. You simply have to multiply numerator time numerator and denominator time denominator, right? You have to do 1 times 1. You have to do 1 times 1 and 4 times 8. So 1 times 1 is 1 and 4 times 8 is 32. Let's just start with the test questions. Let's see how do we multiply fractions. Let's just start with the test questions. 1 by 4 times 1 over 8. So you have to do numerator time numerator, denominator time denominator. 1 times 1 and 4 times 8, that is 1 over 32. The correct option is 1 by 32. Got option number 3 is the correct option. The next one is 1 by 8 times 1 by 5. So which is the correct option? That is 1 times 1 is 1 and 8 times 5 is 40. So option number 1 is the correct option. 1 by 5 times 1 by 4. So which is the correct option? You have to do numerator time numerator and denominator time denominator. That is 1 times 1 and 5 times 4 is 20. So option number 2 is the correct option. Very good. That's 1 by 20. 1 by 8 times 1 by 10, which is the correct option? That is 1 over 80. Option number 3 is the correct option. 1 by 4 times 1 by 6. So, which is the correct option? That is 1 over 24. Option number 2 is the correct option. One by 7 times 1 by 5. So, which is the correct option? That is 1 divided by 35. Option number 3 is the correct option. Very good. 1 by 8 times 1 by 2, which is the correct option? That is 1 over 16. Option number 2 is the correct option. 1 over 2 times 1 over 5. So, which is the correct option? That is 1 over 10. Option number 1 is the correct option. The next one is 1 by 9 times 1 by 4. So, which is the correct option? That is 1 over 36. Option number 3 is the correct option. 1 by 4 times 1 by 2. So which is the correct option? That is 1 over 8. Option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. What problems you have to do on your own? Multiply 3 or more fractions and whole numbers. 2 times 1 by 2. So you can simply, because you do not have any denominator with these two numbers, you can write them like this. 2 times by 1, 2 by 1 times 1 by 2. Now they all three are fractions. Just multiply their numerators and multiply their denominators. That is 4 over 2. So 4 divided by 2 is 2. The correct is 2. Got it? Okay, let's just start with the test questions. Okay, the first one is the one we just did. 2 times 1 by 2. So which is the correct option? Option number 2 is the correct option. Three times 2 by 5. So you have to, that is 3 by 1 times 3 by 1 times 2 by 5. So let's just multiply all the numerators. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 2 is 18 and 18 over 5 it is. Now numerator is greater than denominator. You can simply divide. So 18 divided by 5. 5 times 3 is 15. 18 minus 5 is 3. That is 3 whole 3 over 5. The correct option is option number 1 is the correct option. That is 3 whole 3 by 5. Option number 1 is the correct option. One by 3 times 2 by 5. So which is the correct option? That is 2 by 5. Option number 2 is the correct option. Very good. 1 by 3 times 1 by 3 times 1 by 2, which is the correct option? That is 1 over 18. Option number 3 is the correct option. 1 by 3 times 2 by 5 times 1 by 2. So correct option. Which is the correct option? That is 1 over 15. Option number 1 is the correct option. 1 by 3 times 3 times 3 by 4, which is the correct option? That is 3 by 4. Option number 1 is the correct option. Three by 4 times 3 times 2, which is the correct option? That is 3 times 3 is 9, 9 times 2 is 18, 18 over 4. So when you simplify, that is 9 over 2 and just divide 2. 2 times 4 is 8, you have 1. So that is 4 whole 1 over 8. The correct option is 4 whole 1 over 8. Option number 1 is the 2 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is estimate products of fraction, whole numbers and mixed numbers. Estimate the product, round the first factor to the nearest whole number, round the second factor to the nearest 10, and then multiply. 3 whole 1 over 9 times 57 whole 4 over 7. So let's just round these off. That is 3 whole 1 over 9. So just look at the fractional part. That is 1 over 9, right? That means that is less than half. So that is less than half. So you need to round on the same whole number. Then 57 whole 4 over 7. So 4 over 7 is greater than half, right? Because half of the 7 is 3.5. That is 4. So that means that is greater than half. So you need to know the question is you need to round to the nearest 10. So 57 would be rounded off to 60. So 60 times 3 is 180. Let's just start with the test questions. Three whole 7 over 8 times 651 whole 2 by 5. Estimate the product. Round the first factor to the nearest whole number. Round to the second factor for the nearest 100. Okay, so the first one you need to round to the whole number, right? So 7 over 8, that is more than half, so it would be rounded off to 4. Second one is 651 whole 2 by 5. You need to round this to nearest 100. So 651 is rounded off to 700. So you have to do 4 times 700. So 4 times 7 is 28. That is 2800. The correct option is option number 2. That is 2800. Estimate the product. Round the first factor to the nearest whole number, round the second factor to the nearest 10, and then multiply. That is 4 whole 1 by 10 and 56 whole 4 over 9. That is 4 whole 1 by 10. You need to round this to whole number, so it would be rounded off to 4. And 56 whole 4 by 9 is rounded off to 60. So 60 times 4 is that is 240. Option number 3 is the correct option. 8 whole 3 by 7 times 394. Eight whole 3 by 7 is rounded off to 9. 8 because 3 by 7 is less than half, and 394 is rounded off to 400. So the correct option is option number, that is 3200. Option number 3 is the correct option. Three whole 7 over 8 times 6, that is 4, and 6 is rounded off to 10. 24, you have to round it to 6. Option number 1 is the correct option. 2 whole 1 by 4 times 9 whole 1 by 3. So which is the correct option? Option number 2 is the correct option. 8 whole 3 by 10 times 22 whole 9 by 10, which is the correct option? 8 whole 3 by 10 is rounded off to 8. The correct option is 160. Option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is multiply mixed numbers and whole numbers. 10 whole 3 by 4 times 4. So convert 10 whole 3 by 4 to into improper fraction. So that is 10. You have to 10 times 4 is 40 and plus 3 makes 43 over 4. Let's just start with the test questions. Five times 4 whole 4 by 5. So you have to convert 4 whole 4 by 5 to improper fraction. So how do we convert? Let me just do on the whiteboard. I don't know what's wrong with annotator. That is 4 whole 4 by 5 times 5. Okay. 5 times 4 whole 4 over 5. 5 times you have to do whole number times denominator. Add the numerator and 5. That is 5 times 4 times 5 is 20 and 24 over. So 5 and 5 cancel out. You are left with 24. So the correct option is 24. Option number 3 is the correct option. That is 24. Six times 9 whole 1 over 2. So let's just convert into improper fraction. That is 2 times 9 is 18 and 1. 19 over 2 times 6. So 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 3 is 6. Just do 19 times 3. 3 times 9 is 27 and 57. It is the correct option is 57. The correct option is 57. Option number 2 is the correct option. The next one is 4 whole times 6. So which is the correct option? That is 49 over 10 times 6, right? 49 over 10 times 6. So 2 times 3 is 6 and 2 times 5 is 10. So 49 times 3 is 9 times 3 is 27. 3 times 4 is 12 and 2 14 147 over. Simply divide. 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 9 is 45. You have 2 here. So that is 29 whole 2 over 5. The correct option is 29 whole 2 over 5. The next one is 29 whole 2 by 5 is the correct option. 7 whole 3 by 7 times 7. So which is the correct option? 'The correct option is option number 2, that is 51. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So we were working on grade 6 math. The chapter we were working on is and the lessons we have covered today: multiply two fractions, multiply three or more fractions and whole numbers, estimate products of fractions, whole numbers and mixed numbers, and multiply mixed numbers and whole numbers. Please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we just did. That is your homework until next session. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can simply click on the live chat button. Tutors are available there to help you, or either you can write down the questions in the chat box. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. No questions? No questions? Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.